Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best circular saws available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Worx Circular Saw. The lever lets you go from 0 to 45-degree bevel settings with quick adjustment. The WORXSAW stores easier, travels lighter and is much handier on the job site or in the workshop. For quick plunge cuts without all the setup, just grab it and go. Worx tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology and above modern efficiency standards. So you can build a cost-effective tool collection that's been designed to last. At 4/2, and only half the weight of a full 7/1/4 circular saw, you get portability without sacrificing power. The thinner blade makes for less strain on the tool so it can work harder. At number 6 we have Genesis Circular Saw. This new saw can cut through 2x material and can bevel 45 degrees for cutting through wood with the included 24T carbide tipped blade. It includes a dust collector hose, parallel guide and Allen wrench. You can add the new Genesis Compact Circular Saw to your garage, workshop or tool set today. It saves time and energy by using a lighter saw. It makes beveled cuts, plunge cuts and cross cuts with ease. At number 5 we have Makita Circular Saw. The Makita 12V Max CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 3/3/8 circular saw delivers power and speed in an ultra-compact size for a range of cutting applications. The kit includes two 12V Max CXT Lithium-Ion slide-style batteries for improved balance and ergonomics over pod-style batteries. For added convenience, the batteries include an onboard LED charge level indicator. It's an ideal solution for users seeking a more compact cutting solution with less weight or for applications in tight spaces. For longer runtime, all 12V Max CXT cordless tools are also compatible with the 12V Max CXT Lithium-Ion 4.0 battery. Number 4 we have Black Circular Saw. This circular saw is equipped with a 5 1/2 inch fast cutting blade as well as a bevel that detents at 45 and 90 degrees for angled cuts. Plus, you can change the blade and adjust the depth without needing extra tools. And the pivoting shoe provides enhanced control while you work. This cordless circular saw is powered by a 20V Max Power Connect battery that's rechargeable and compatible with other tools in the Power Connect system. The fast cutting blade is ideal for a range of DIY tasks. At number 3 we have Makita Circular Saw. It featured with a 4A copper motor. The compact circular saw can reach a high cutting speed of 4500 RPM to cut tile, wood, plastics, plasterboard, PVC with ease. With a laser guide, the mini circular saw keeps the cutting on a straight line. Also, the parallel guide attachment allows you to make a precise and quick cut with ease. The soft rubber handle reduces hand fatigue effectively. Also, with a dust port and the sawdust pipe, you can connect it to your vacuum to maintain a clean working environment. The double protection switch enhances safety and use. At number 2 we have WEN Circular Saw. The WEN 3625 circular saw packs a punch in a compact size. 5A motor rotates the 4.5-inch blade 3,500 times per minute. The tool works with perfection on variety of materials such as wood, drywall, tile, sheet metal, pipes and more. Its compact design weighs in at a mere 5.1 pounds, limiting fatigue during operation and making for easy storage between jobs. The 5A motor provides maximum torque, spinning the 4.5-inch blade up to 3,500 RPM. The includes a 24-tooth carbide-tipped wood cutting blade, a carrying case, a dust extraction tube. At number 1 we have Dremel Circular Saw. The Dremel Ultra Saw is a compact multi-saw designed for users who want a tool that accomplishes typical cuts but want more from their tools. The US 40 easily handles straight flush and plunged cuts plus surface prep applications, 3 tools in one. With a 7.5 amp motor and a durable drivetrain, the Ultra Saw has power to easily make long cuts. It has a metal foot and guard, resists the heat generated by heavy-duty jobs like grinding and cutting metal. The Ultra Saw handles a variety of materials including wood, plastic, metal, tile, masonry and more. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best circular saws for your need.